students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, today I am start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 10, that is practical geometry, with an exercise 10.1 and 10.2, in which I am going to explain you how we can make a beautiful a triangle through suitable sides given or any angle given to you. So let's begin with exercise 10.1. In exercise 10.1, our first question is, draw a line says AB. Now first of all we need to take a line that is of AB. So first of all you have to draw a line that is AB. And then we need to in the question they are saying take a point C outside it. Now we are taking a point C outside it. Okay, now through C draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and a compasses only. Now take any point on line AB. That will be, take D here and then draw a line straight over here and join the CD. And then with the help of compass, little open your compass and then take and draw an arc here. Okay, like this you can draw an arc. Now similarly with this much you have to open your compass and then at the point C on also you need to take a arc like this. Okay, now open some your compass to measure how much you are taken to take a cut over here. Okay, now like this you need to cut over here. Similarly through this point you need to cut at this point. Okay, now join this line and this will be the parallel line to AB, and say now you can give a name M and N. This is your first question. Okay, now you need to write steps by yourself in your language, and these two angles can be 1 and 2, and these both angles are alternate angles. Now come to question number 2, that is draw a line L, draw a perpendicular to L. This perpendicular means what, class? Perpendicular means 90-degree angle at point on L. Okay, on this perpendicular choose a point X 4 cm away from a L. Through X draw a line M parallel to L. So first of all you need to draw a line L. Now first of all we need to draw a line L. We have draw a line L. Now on this line I am taking a point O here. Okay, now need to draw a perpendicular over here. So I need to make a angle of 90 degree. This is 60 and this next cut is of 120, and then we need to draw a perpendicular. It means we need to join it. Now this joining point, this is called X. Take a X over here. Okay, now take OX will be 4 cm. Through scale, through the help of scale you can take 4 cm and at point O you can cut over here, and this will be 4 cm which is away from O, or a line O. Now again we need to take a circle, half semicircle. Now rotate your paper and take a circle and then open your arc, that how much it is measured here, and then cut from here, and we have to take a cut over here and then join the lines. This is parallel line similar to line L, which is called line M. So we can say M parallel to L then only when the angle 1 equals to angle 2. These are the alternate angles. Now come to question number 3. Last one is, let L be a line and P be a point not on L. Through P draw a line M parallel to L. Now join P to any point Q on L. So first of all we need to draw a line L and take a point P not on L. So First of all, you need to draw a line. This is called line P. Now this is called point L over here, line L. Now not take point P over here. So here will be a point P. This is point P, and take any other point over here that can be a Q, and then take a semicircle over here. So draw a semicircle and then take a join a line here. Okay, like this you can first of all make a semicircle on a line on a point P here, and then open some arc to cut, take a cut over here, and then we need to cut over here. Okay, now join this point to a cut and like this. Okay, now similarly we can take again a semicircle on another point. Take any point over here and then take a cut. Draw a semicircle. Okay, now take a cut like this and then draw a line which is parallel to this side. Now this is called suitable parallelogram, which can be like this. We can say P, Q, S, R will be a parallelogram. So this is called parallelogram. This shaded portion is parallelogram. So like this you have to attempt first, second and third question of an exercise 10.1. Exercise 10.2, first question is, we need to construct a triangle XYZ in which XY is equals to 4.5 centimeter, YZ is equals to 5 centimeter and ZX is equals to 6 centimeter. So now see, we need to draw a rough figure first so that this can help to make a beautiful figure of this figure. So we need to draw first of all 4.5 of YZ. Now through a scale we need to draw 4.5, that is, here is 4.5 centimeter, this is Y and this is X. Now with the help of compass and pencil you need to take a how much length, that is 6 centimeters. So with the help of scale again we have to measure 6 centimeter, and at point X we need to draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, now how much is written here, that is 5 centimeter, that is YZ. So 5 centimeter we need to draw again through a compass and take an arc over here to cut a point Z. This intersection point is said to be as a Z, and then join these lines. So like this you can join it and write it over here 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So this is called a required triangle, which is very beautifully made by through a help of scale and a compass. Now come to question number 2. Now construct an equilateral. What do you mean by equilateral? Equilateral means in which all the sides are equal. So equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeters. So I will take a triangle. First of all take a rough figure. Again I am taking X, Y, Z. This is called, or I can take any other name that can be, okay, take another name that will be A, B, C. Okay, and take all the sides are 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, again 5.5 centimeter. So this is very easy to make. First of all, you need to draw a 5.5 centimeter, a line that is called B and C, and then with the help of scale, you need to make 5.5 arc. At point B, you need to draw like this, and at point C, you need to draw like this, and then join this A point. This intersection point is said to be a, and then join A to B and join A to see, like this is called 5.5 centimeter. This is again 5.5 centimeter. This is very beautifully created by equilateral triangle. So come to question number 3. Hope this is clear to you. Now question number 3, that is draw a triangle PQR. So first of all, we need to again make a rough figure, which is, we can like take a name PQR. Now QR is how much? QR is 3.5 and then PQ is 4 centimeter. PQ is 4 like here and PR is 4 centimeter. So PR is 4 centimeter. So first of all, we need to draw a 3.5. Here we have taken 3.5, which is called Q and R. Now next is 4 centimeter. Which length is given here? 4 centimeter, that is PQ. So we have to take, with the help of scale, 4 centimeter like this. We have opened a compass and mark a arc here. Like this again. Here is a PR, which is 4 centimeter. Which is 4 centimeter like this. You can take an arc and cut off first one. That is called point P. And join these lines like this. Okay, so this is also 4 centimeter again. This is 4 centimeter. Okay, through this figure, what you have observed, if the two lines are equal, which triangle it is? This triangle is isosceles triangle. So this is very beautifully created. This is isosceles triangle of PQR. So like this, you can do 4th question by yourself. I am giving just one question to you. You attempt this and well prepared a figure for this question. Hope you all are clear with this tutorial. In this tutorial, you have cleared your exercise 10.1 and 10.2, in which I have given you just one question to attempt. So attempt that question so that your doubts and your concept will be clear. So next time we will begin with a new exercise that can be 10.3 and 10.4. Okay, bye-bye.